Hello, I'm CG and this is a quick video to show how to increase font size in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar, we can find text. Click, and then we can add the text box. Next, we can start to type. For example, I type font size. And then we can click and drag the corner, and then we can enlarge the font. I press Alt to enlarge it to the both sides. And we release the mouse button to confirm it. Actually, we can select the font and go to top option bar. We can find font size here. We can choose the font, I make it smaller, and also we can type the value. For example, I type 300 and press enter to increase the font size. Actually, we can press plus to increase it, or we can use minus to decrease it. So this is how we can increase font size in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.